Hello. Hey, that's it, yeah. Good all. The bad boy a Welsh language Twitch and all. O'n i am chwarae Metal Gear Solid. Dwi'n gwybod hwnna dwi fod i chwarae. Ond i eisiau chwarae beth. Dwi'n chwarae video games. Dwi'n chwarae video games as ages. Nes I trio chwarae Sniper Elite 5 echdoedd ac oedd o'n shit. So be well na'r gem dwi'n really crap ar. I cael back in the mood. Guess who's back? Back again. Tell a friend. Just when I thought I was out to pull me back in. Yeah. She just, yeah. Nath wsos o rest. Wsos o detox troi yn tair wsos. Well, really.
Get ready. Today is not gonna be easy.
Ti di cymryd beth dwi eisiau. Dwi heb di chwarae hwn ers mis Ebrill. So
This is your champion.
I'll high five you all when I see you.
ond ie. O'n i am wneud
Study the land. Find our advantage. Then we jump.
I'm the jump master. Follow me.
O'n i am wneud VR stream. Nes I tyd ddim. Cos mae'n hassle. Ond
Let's make a varsity play for the deck.
Copy that.
Dwi'n mwyn chi sylwi, dwi wedi symud fanno o'n i o blaen. Ond dwi'n fama wan. Ie, dwi'n gwybod yn se, dwi'n gwybod. Dwi'n ymwybodol. Oh my god, dwi'n...
Let's explore this. Heard that.
Bogey landed near me. Firing. Taking fire.
Got some extra supplies.
Scanning the area.
Attention. Reloading.
First blood.
Beginning countdown.
Grenade.
Oh my god, do this.
Health drone if you need it.
All father, give me sight.
Recharging my shields.
Taking a moment to heal.
Recharging shields.
Taking a moment to heal.
Just giving my shield a recharge.
Okay, dwi'n really exposed yma.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Opening fire. Taking fire.
Be aware of the new kill leader.
Reloading.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at. Enemy down.
Fox 3, missile off the rails.
Enemy taken out. Just giving my shield a recharge.
I'm hit.
God.
Taking fire.
Oh
Reloading.
god.
Mayday. Crashing and burning over here. Bogey right here. Let's bogey here. Bandit here. New kill
Bless me with sight.
I'm spotted. Taking fire. Don't worry, I got a squad. Broke the shield now.
I am out of heavy ammo.
Okay, and then oh my god! Okay, dwi ddim yn dda o'n gema. Dolbada, yn beth i gema, beth i pwynt o. Battle Royale. Hwn fatha battle... O, nath ddim yn dda iawn yna gwbl. Fatha Fortnite. Ydi o. So, ond mae hwn yn... Mae tri yn chi mewn gang. Map yn mynd yn llai. Last man standing. Os di hwn yn mynd yn dda iawn, illa neu chwarae rhywbeth arall. Illa Jump King. Diolch am dy hylod o bydden. Illa mynd syth fewn i Apex fel stream gyntaf ages. Illa ddim the best choices I've done de. Na weld. Nes dwi'n mwyn metig o solid ydi, o gyda i ddim mynadd setio fyny'r... O, allan mal y cachau yma. Pwy ti'n mynd i fod? Lifeline. Emrys, pam ti'n lifeline? Cos dwi yn cachwr. Eitha pob arall yn iawn yn y chat. Sy'n bach cath, dydw i.
Introducing your champion. You know what I look like. Come find me.
Good, I'm the jump master. I say we land here. Get ready, moving up. Let's go this way. An enemy landed near me. Watch yourself.
Oh my god. It's all good.
Extra supplies over here.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Shit.
Reloaded.
Attention. First blood.
First kill. On the bright side,
Whoa!
walk the enemy.
Ah! Cysgu, o. Iawn, dwi'n cael un gem arall. Dwi'n cael un gem arall, a os ddim, dwi'n mynd i ffeindio beth arall i chwarae. Tangan to pimp. Ww, ti'n mynd o fi? O, nhw rhaid ar ei dyn o... Hey, V-Dub Gaming. Fydd ti'n cadw'n iawn. O, ystod ti'n yna. Ah, ti'n ffogt. Ti'n...
Where's the been up to?
Iawn, un gêm arall.
Right here. Enemy here.
Dwi'n really dyfaru dechrau efo Apex. Thanks. I hope I'm good at Welsh because that's my first language. It'd be very shoddy of me if I couldn't speak it well.
Made for walking.
Gonna get rough as guts. Oh.
Come on, we've got work to do.
But my Welsh accent is also an acquired taste because I come from the north. Okay, lifeline. Yeah, North Wales. Film. Carnarvon. I can literally see the castle
Introducing your champion.
there.
We fighting. Choice. Could do with some cardio.
I'm the jump master.
Okay.
No stray enough.
I am not the jump master.
Kia ora, I'm Jump Master. You lot trust me, don't you?
Oh, Carnarvon, that's cool.
Non terre plus ultra. Ten cuidado, there's lava over there.
Come on.
That was intense. Really makes me want to take
Stand
a long
down.
pause and
And I
reflect
miss my
and...
waka. Bloody owes me. You fire! You my
Oh, I don't want the spicy one. No. See, the Jump King. Ta be? Dwi'n tempting the DLC Jump King there.
I saw someone and I don't think there's any goodies.
Enemies drop down there.
Taking fire! Cracked the bad dude's shield. Downed that one.
Hey, thanks for the follow.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Oi! Get your asses in the ring.
Attention. First blood.
First blood. And if I have my way,
Oh,
it ain't gonna
I
be the
thought-
last.
What do I have here?
New kill leader appointed.
Hey, amigos. These dudes not with us. Firing! No, there's another squad. Reloading. Charging shields. Healing.
It's up there.
Reloading.
We've got trouble.
Just gonna drill some seeds.
Yo, cracked an enemy shield.
Throw the thermite.
Not so bad guys here. Look out, grenade!
Throw the thermite. Chucking a frag.
Who's on me?
Another squad popping and say hi. Reloading. Scrambled that egg.
Reloading. Cracked
This
the
way,
bad
let's
dude's
go.
shield. Reloading. Look out, grenade! Híjole, that hurt!
Shield.
Enemy down. Reloading.
Whole squad's cocked it.
45 seconds. Rings close.
Gives a sec. Recharging my shields.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Bas.
Rings close.
sell me chickens.
Go in here. You lot.
Whoops.
Get behind. Enemy right here.
Warning. Room closing.
Gdzie mynd?
We're all inside the ring. Good.
No one hide from my drill. The ring ball's rolling.
Frag out. Engaging. They're shooting at me. Crack the manual shield. Reloading. And that's all of them. Good job, buddies.
Good job, gonna be. In the bed.
Crack that shot. Down. Enemy here.
It's go time.
Here. Waste them. Here's an enemy.
Ah! Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I need shields.
Zit hem jou, maar.
Get up. We still got some work to do.
I got some bad guys here. Yo, cracked an enemy shield.
Recharging my shields, Guzzies. Scan on the Phoenix kit.
Heads up, we're not
Fucked
alone.
in.
Shouldn't here. Charging my shields, Cuzzies.
Not that. There's one not there. Not that.
Tear it up. He's shooting at me.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at. Broke their shield now.
Recharging my shields, Cuzzies.
Come and get your birthday present.
I'm opening fire.
Enemies right here.
Here's a sick. Recharging my shields.
Oh no!
Reloading.
Ah! Hey, Cymraeg. Ooh, loot a beacon. Okay, well. Oh no. Have you seen that? Oh. T'o be? Na, o'n i am chwarae Sniper Elite. Dwi ddim yn licio Sniper Elite. Dwi'm yn gwybod pam. Y 5 lle. Mae bob dim yn y fo'n... Sut ti'n mynd o? Dwi'm yn cwitio. Dwi'm yn colio fe'n cwitio fe yma, cos mae boi yn neud job da.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's far. Better dip.
Os di person yma'n cael ni nôl, de... Bob, chwarae teg.
Replicator being delivered.
Eyes to the
Excellent.
skies. Replicator incoming.
Sy'n neb yma dwi'n mwyn. Sy'n mynd i cael legend i'r barod?
I've been here.
Oca.
I've been here.
Remember that.
Faster, faster, faster!
Not ideal. Oh, really not ideal. Oh no! Ah!
Big shooting at me. Crack that head shield. Got locked down.
Oh, they fucked done.
I'm out of heavy ammo.
Going here.
Making contact with enemy.
Reloading.
Making contact with enemy. Hostile close.
We've got 1 minute and the ring is far. Just how I like it.
Contact with hostile.
No!
Let's go here.
Come on.
Pam si ti dechrau hwn? O bob dim mae gynna fi. Beth gynna fi ar Steam? Let's have a look. Beth dwi wedi lawrlwytho ar Steam?
Enemy here.
Dim byd, really. Dim byd, really. Is she kill, though? Is she kill? Beth ti'n cadw'n iawn fo'r gem? Beth sy'n dweud yna? Yes. Mae Summer Gamefest wedyn. Dwi'n gwybod os eisiau gwachad ar hwn neu ddim. Dwi'n gwybod. Un ranked, gwybod beth sy'n digwydd. Here's low bat, no thank you. Scan time intense, okay. Na ddo, the heb siarad ages na ddo. Na, dwi wedi bod off yn hyn, off aware really. Yeah. Heb mynd i fewn efo gormod public felly de, so...
Strong work. Heb Finn.
This ain't my first rodeo match.
Just weithiau ti angen yr... Seibiant. Ooh, Ash.
Focus, fight, win.
Introducing your
Detox. Ie, o'n i angen bach o detox da. Bach o lifestyle changes da. Dwi'n neud 10k steps a day wan. Ers fi fod ar yn senlli, dwi wedi cario hynna ymlaen. Yn neud 10...
Guide us to victory below. Might be something good this way. Prepare for battle.
Dwi trio... Dwi wedi colli stôn ers ta 4 wsos. So... O'n i erioed i chwarae... Dwi erioed i chwarae Pokemon Go. Na di'r... Dwi erioed i fod yn big...
Finding them.
Ah! Bastard!
Enemy shield cracked. Reloading.
Gwach coch?
We're already
Na.
next ring.
Ie, dwi'n meddwl gola. Dwi'n sortio'r gola fa ma de. Dwi'n dall fan'na. Dydy, mae... Dach nôl fi, please.
Contact with hostile.
Ie, mae'r... So mae ffenast fi'n fanna, wan. Oh my god.
Another squad is on us. Opening fire.
Kill that joker.
Enemy shield cracked. Reloading. I've been down. Eliminate the enemy.
They're shooting at me.
Ie, beth sy'n dweud yn go? Mae hwnna on, mae go... Dwi beth sy'n lycio reid men golon. Mae gen fi lamp y fanna sy'n rili ddim yn gweithio. A mae gen fi massive F-off. Allan ni hyn, ti'n? Dwi'n gwybod os dwi'n exposure hyn yma, de. So mae'n ffenast fanna, li. A wedyn mae gen i fi massive wall o fanna, de. So... Dwi wedi symud stwff o gwmpas. Lifestyle changes. So, bach o like... Oh, dwi wedi camera. Pam nes i hynna? Pam nes i hynna? Ond i'n rili mangan hynna. Lifestyle changes. So lle oedd y soffa o fan, y fanno ni arfer ista. Mae'r... Y peth mwyaf sydd wedi symud ydy hwn. Dwi'n sy'n gweld o. Oedd hwn, dwi'n gwybod os ti'n siarad dangos llun i chdi, Morgan, oedd hwn yn permanent fixture lawr grisia. Oedd gynnu fi set Mazda MX-5 yn stuck iddo fo. A nes i... Basically, yn ffrind gorau fi sydd ddim yn rili fewn i games o gwbl. Actually, ydy ddim yn fewn i games o gwbl. Awgrymu fi... ella ti'n angen full Cymraeg yn living room chdi, a meddwl so fanna'n isiach, cos gyda fi lle tân fanna. Dwi'n cytuno. So hwnna wan yn... Ella symud hwnna o gwmpas. Ella i cael o lawr, symud o, a iwsio set yma i chwarae fo. So that's it, ie. Pethau fel dwi wedi bod yn neud yn ddiweddar. So be, as we fall o fyna chwarae hwn wan. So dwi'n mynd i gwitio, de. Be i gael chwarae am chydig bach, wan. Be sgynna fi wedi lawr lwytho. Be dwi'n rili eisiau gwneud ydy chwarae thing Radiohead, ond well i fi ddim, dwi'n meddwl. Ti'n beth dwi'n controller fi. Oh god! Oh my god! Oh fuck. Okay. Yun. Jump King to Fall Guys. To Getting Over It with Ben. Fall Guys, yeah, Fall Guys. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. I can read the room. I can read the room. Dwi'n digon o good mood. Dwi'n misio chwarae Jump King. Tipyn bach llai o stress. 100% cytuno. What the hell, pam mae Epic Online Services? Epic B a Fall Guys, ond dangos fe'n hir dwi wedi chwarae fach hwn. Ddyfyd hyn gyda le. Aw. A hefyd, dwi wedi completio Fall Guys. So, Jump King. So, pam uffar sy'n eisiau gwneud eto? Iawn, oce. So mae Fall Guys yn full-on cosplay wan, di? Dwi'n iawn i ddweud hynna. So mae PS4 a fuck's sakes. Gosyn i fewn i Epic account fi. Ond dwi'n reitio... Beth gyda fi 2 account. Gyda fi'r un PS4 a'r un PC. A dwi'n unlocio stwff gwahanol ar y 2. So dwi'n meddwl, come on, please click and... Sorry, dwi'n gael gwneud captcha. Ni'n siŵr dwi'n... Dwi heb di cael F1 manager eto. Dwi am disgwyl ta mae yna bach o reviews amdano fo, dwi'n meddwl. Ti di gael... Diolch allan eto na di, pre-purchase di, e? A hefyd, cos dwi'n licio Limmy, Riot Bananas ydi community manager, F1 manager, de. So, mae Gwylio, mae bod yn Limmy fan di dysgu fi ddim trystio'r boi na. So. Bang! Let's go! Gamers only in this stream, please. Gamers only. Oh, shit. Look at what I'm about it. We're bed in it. Give me lots more there. What should we call the chat tunnel? Ond dwi'n poeni chydig bach amdan Actually, di'r sain yn iawn. Dwi'n mynd i'n meddwl gofyn i chi os di'r sain yn iawn. Gweithio fod y sain yn iawn. Fel dwi'n meddwl. It's PNG. It's going to be background on filters, properties. Oh, yeah. Fel ydy. Fel ydy. God, dim res. Dwi'n mynd cynnig at ti. Dwi'n mynd cynnig beth ti'n ei wedi sgrifio i fi. Beth ti'n ei wedi sgrifio i fi... Na. No, thank you. Oce. Ydw i'n gallu mynd... Fel rhywun sy'n heb chwarae hwn ers... Hydoedd... Faint o bell allai fynd? A beth dwi'n gofio, o'n i'n reit competent. Fall Guys player. Yes, come here, come here. It's about to be fucking pro!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Get into it because they would
Oh.
understand.
Enjoy your game over there. Yeah, the F1 2021. Dwi'm yn siŵr am beth dwi'n neud fo'n eto. Bod yn holl honest. O gynnu ni Motorsports Manager. Ie, llawn griffiths ar y top. Ben game yma, felly. I'm going all the way, baby. Deja vu! So, I'm going to team game. Slime climb. Okay, we own the play. Fall Guys. Fake it till I make it. Dwi'n rhaid i cael win, ddo. Dwi'n cael win. Dwi wedi bod yn ail gymaint o weithiau. Dwi'n rhaid i cael win. Always the bridesmaid, never the bride. Yn Fall Guys. trick ydi ddim bod yn coci. Oh my god, nes i literally deud ddim bod yn coci. A be nes i? Ie, dwi angen ffeindio games, you know. Hynna, ti'n beth? O'r 4 wsos ma, dwi wedi bod off, de. Nath hynna cael fi. Ond mi'n gem yn really methu, de. O'n i'n chwarae lot o iRacing, chwarae lot o Final Fantasy 14, lot o Apex. O'n i'n methu nhw? Not particularly. Not particularly. So dwi eisiau chwarae games yn mwy, eisiau chwarae games mwy. Os mae gen i Game Pass, gen i gymaint o stwff ar Steam ac Epic Game Store a PS4. Dwi'n sbio ar y lista sy'n byd yn sefyll allan. Sy'n y sens. Okay. Hold on to your horses. Trick ydi de. Oh, what? Come here, innit? Okay, kom maar in, hè. Kom maar in, hè. Ronde over. Oh, wat is mooi. Ik moest er een beetje weg. Mi Sandy cael desk fe yma fan, dwi'n gallu sbio at y ffenast. Gofyn pobl wneud. Yeah, fuck done. Score zone. Doe hem echt een bullshit, zo goed. Die 34% daar. Is die guy diafol hwnna? Thing yma dwi... Sut i dal hwnna? What? What? No, rhaid mynd... Dwi 33. Ddylai fi gallu mynd i'r final round o Fall Guys. Ddylai fi gallu mynd i'r final round o Fall Guys. 33 professional. House owner. Mortgage payer. Taxpayer. Car owner. Water drinker. Ddylia fi gallu adio Fall Guys winner I hwnna. Ddylia fi. Yeah, got this. Dwi'n mynd ennill hwn. Dwi wedi watcha digon a Takeshi's Castle. Oh my god. What a start. Oh my god! O'n i'n watcha Takeshi's Castle back in the day. Sut dwi ddim yn awesome yn gema. That's how we do it. This is Fall Guys. Stream tan ti'n ennill. Paid rei pethau fel yn y chat, please. Paid rei pethau fel yn y chat. Y stream di goffa mewn 5 munud o'n. Dwi'n mynd i ennill hwn. Suckers. I gymaint o chance a hyn I gyd. Be di'r Malmoni na? Be di'r... Oh, PC. Hold on. DB John. Got this. Got this in the bag. Lle ddim. No. Oh, okay. No! Chwyn, ti'n serious? Ti'n serious? Okay. Oh my god! Okay. Ella dim tomo dwi'n ennill. Practice dwn. Hwnnw practice. Yeah, film film. Let's go So be ddo? Ah, fuck off! This guy's... Don't call this a comeback. Oh my god, Sydney, she qualifier. Please need a qualifier. I'll give you them howl. Neu ben eisiau fe yna. What? Dyma cyn. O, iawn, oce. Oce, dwi'n teimlo na fa ma wedi diwedd y daith. Oh my god! Wow, so stuff that should look up. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, got this. Got this. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Oh no! And Lucas. Sy'n byd y wrong o fyna. Heart of the cards yn erbyn fi. Shout out i'r holl Yu-Gi-Oh fans yn y chat. Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh. Sy'n gallu rili mynd i Yu-Gi-Oh sa. So, yna'n pethau dwi'n rili mynd i fewn i de. Yn y detox thing ma de, dwi wedi bod yn neud. Eisiau ddechrau Duolingo, French. Eisiau tynnu Japanese ages yn ôl, ond sy'n digon o pobl siarad Japanese yn Gaernarfon. So, dwi wedi bod yn neud French a Duolingo. So be? Duolingo na'n good piece of kit, chwarae teg. Good piece of kit. Ufferdyn. Dwi'n mynd efo. Yo, this is the one. This is the run. Dwi'n cael goose pimples. Goose pimples? Be the things there? Hair standing on my back. Yn meddwl am y holl. I was there. Yeah. Berlin Wall, lawr. First man on the moon. I was there. Emrys winning Fall Guys. I was there. Aiden. What the hell? Back in my day, Fall Guys just was go A to B. Oh, the impression we are. Whoa! But oh, oh my god. Yes! Got this. I've got this. "42 qualified." Well, the answer to everything. 42 the thing Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Okay, let's go. Easy. Come on. Come on, rhywbeth da. Fi di teimlo rhywbeth fel hyn ydi, a pobl sy'n chwarae Fall Guys efo tactics, which lle dwi ddim. One of the math thing, you can smell blood. Swn i'n edrych yn ôl. O, swn na fo hyn dechrau. Dwi'n aros yn llonydd de. Iawn, Summerfest yma. Do you think Summerfest yma ymlaen rwan? Let's have a look. Os allai oed y Summerfest yma. Summerfest. Games. How to watch Summerfest. So be? Dwi'n mynd hyn. Oh, 6 PM. Did it cychwyn to? Six PM GMT. Mae'n GMT wan di. Um. Dechrau am 7. Oce. Ta be? O, Gwyl Slims. Dwi'n ti'n cadw'n iawn. Dwi yn mynd i wneud... Summer Games Fest. Be wneud hwn? Just talking. Just chatting. Fel gwch chi weld o fan. Yr athrylydd ar waith o fan. So mae'n golygu gan i ddipyn amser i wastio oes. Emrys Evans, full-time time waster. So hwn ydy'r un efo Jeff Keighley, ie? Dwi'n iawn i ddweud hynna? Ta dwi'n newid hynna fyny? Dwi heb... Okay, so we're gonna need bach amser. Be ydyn ni'n disgwyl amdan? Bing my ass. Wsos nesa, mae E3 presentations de. Summerfest ydy... Ti'n cofio'r Game Awards? Sef hwn. Ti'n cofio'r Game Awards? Hwn. So, y person sy'n neud hwn ydy Jeff Keighley. Man About Town, Jeff Keighley. A mynd o'n Summer Games Fest. Cos nath o... 2 flynedd yn ôl, 3 blynedd yn ôl, ffrio fi... Oedd o fod i wneud sioe E3. Oedd o fod i wneud bob dim online E3. A nath o just reid sbîl allan dweud, o, dwi'n mynd hynna mwy rwan. Dwi'n neud hwn rwan. A nath o dechrau neud hwn. A... Dwi'n gwybod os ti'n gwybod beth E3. E3 Gamesconf... Mae hwnna wedi mynd sut. Mae wedi mynd ond o. O, som E3 fan agos? E3. Yeah, so mae E3 2022 wedi canslo. So fan'na o'ch ti'n cael the game. So beth ys na digwydd oedd o'ch ti'n cael oedd y presentations cyn y peth. So mae gennych chi hein i gyd. Oh my god. What the hell? Doing a Netflix Geeked Week games. What the hell? Dwi eisiau gweld hwn. Mae hwn yn edrych yn dda. Mae Cyberpunk yn effing crap, ond dwi'n licio'r aesthetic yn uffernol. So, mae'r anime yn edrych reit cool. How old are you? 450. Skip. Oh, begins. Oh, 9 minutes. So hwn yn edrych reit cool, da. Meddwl as a Cyberpunk fel hyn, ddo. Edrych cool. Mae'r lack o customization i'r game Cyberpunk yn nuts. So, just sioead y hyn. Arcane. So rhywun yn y chat yn... Arcane ydi League of Legends, ie. Dwi ddim yn gofyn sy'n League of Legends yn dda. Ydi Arcane yn dda? Cos dwi'n cofio lot o bobl dweud fod Arcane yn dda. Dwi'n trio mynd nôl i anime. Is i allan anime. Am sbelan. Dwi'n trio nôl ddo fo. Hwn yr un dwi'n ymlaen at. Na, dwi'n... Oedd yr un third party PlayStation echddoedd. Dwi'n cofio'n iawn, so... Rhyw ddwrnod, na i cael y blinking camera yma. Yn cool. Tan hynny, da. Chi stalar. Ond, IGN Expo, beth di hwnna? What are we doing? What are you doing in 2022? Devolver Digital, okay, hwnna'n... Dal yn meddwl y games ein bach yn stopio rei bing i fi, seriously. Recommended my ass. Oh. Yes, life hack. Get more to the internet with this one simple trick. Dwi'n cael streamio hwn ar Twitch. Yndw. Pa'n iawn. Do, dwi wedi dweud y blaen, do. Hein yn neud. Ond efo hein yn neud. Un peth, yr online meme amdan Jeff Keighley y boi sy'n neud Summer Games Fest ydi fod o'n massive simp ar gyfer Hideo Kojima. So fydd yna rhywbeth Hideo Kojima dwi'n meddwl de. You love your countdown timers. Sgynna fi amser neu panad? Oes, mae gen i amser neu panad. One minute to go. Dwi'n meddwl i TOS. Fi'n chwarae efo camera fi, neu mae mor iconic. Duo. Good, come on. Games, give me games. Offensive. We put milk before water in tea.
I'm Jeff Keighley, and this is Summer Game Fest, a live showcase of
Good
what's next
captions.
in the wide, wide world of video games. We are live here in Los Angeles, so whether you're streaming from home or watching inside an IMAX theater, welcome to our showcase event.
Theater.
Over the next few hours, we'll give you updates on the games you love, be joined by special developer guests, and yes, have a few surprises along the way too. Now, what I love about this show is that it's a true cross-industry showcase. Whether you play on Xbox, PC, PlayStation, Switch, or mobile, we'll have games for you. It doesn't matter your platform of choice. We're all here to come together as one community.
We have a Neo Geo. Neo Geo ES.
Video games.
Where's my games?
The biggest franchises in the industry are here, like Call of Duty. You'll get introduced to exciting new worlds, new teams, and we'll make room for small independent developers who we think deserve the spotlight too. If we do this right, hopefully you'll discover a few new games to put on your wish lists. And even if you don't get every announcement that you desire, and let's face it, you're not going to get everything today,
Steam wish list
but we've got
ages.
a lot of great stuff. So let's get started. Over 30 years ago, Capcom Street Fighter hit arcades, and ever since, this legendary Japanese
really podwalni games
Fighter 6 is coming in 2023. Right now, we're excited to officially confirm a character coming to the game and show you the exclusive first gameplay footage. Enjoy.
Exclusive world premiere. Kyle.
You won't know what hit you. Let me have some fun.
Hen ki di leak yn barod dwi'n meddwl.
Mission started.
Yes, full on denim, let's go.
This will be a good fight. Got you in my sights.
Lots of pobl yn dweud, dwi'n licio sy'n ma'n edrych, dwi'n ma'n edrych yn really da. Ma'n edrych fath a 5 though. Ma'n edrych na mix rhwng 5 a 4.
I'm just on another level.
Last na. Ond dwi'n really chymau yn chwarae hwnna. Dwi'n mynd fewn i hwnna lot, dwi'n meddwl. Your fight coming in 2023. Fight me.
It's all about the comb. All right, next it's time for a brand new game announcement here at Summer Game Fest. Check this out.
Oh my god. Forecast entertainment. What are we doing?
Sergeant Leo Alvarez of the CMLeth Recon Squad. Our mission was to enter the Tantalus base, locate the comsat relay, and bring it back online. We found the relay, but there was a problem.
Get that door closed now, Private. Close that gate. Nothing
gets in.
Ray didn't make it.
Releases of One Piece.
Alien?
Willis, take the lead.
Ie, edrych fatha... Game Aliens, newydd. So be, dwi'n scared i cat, dwi'n mynd neud pethau fel la. Oh, Aliens.
What we found was a new kind of evil. And it found us first.
Hwna, beth gwahanol. Dim Aliens.
This wasn't human.
Oh, it wasn't human. Oh yeah, Aliens, yn un iawn. Cyfa Gearbox yn talu third parties i neud game nhw'n chip. Am Aliens. Good times.
Through that door! Hold that door, Sergeant! Son of a...
Sergeant.
I don't know what I saw in there. But I know when I close my eyes, I still see it. Now everyone's dead. And someone needs to know.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Not for me. Is that XCOM or that? World
That
premiere.
was Aliens Dark Descent, and it's coming in 2023 to console and PC. Next, 2 years ago at the Game Awards, we revealed the Callisto Protocol from the creative forces behind the Dead Space franchise. Today, I am thrilled to get to show you the first raw gameplay alongside its creator, Glenn Schofield. But first, here's the quote-unquote Schofield cut of the brand new trailer with a little more gore.
Take a look outside. Did you know that they call Callisto the Dead Moon? Dead. Just like you would have been if I hadn't fished you out of that wreck.
How much of the depressing space thing?
You're holding on to right there. That's your old life. You gotta let that go. Because your new life is entirely in my hands. I'm just trying to give you a chance at rebirth.
Dwi'n cael digon o depressing space, space zombies, space alien zombies, space aliens, a tywyllwch.
I just love that last part. Gives me chills every time.
Not for me either.
Welcome to your new home.
Ydych na bob dim arall? Pwys ddim wedi cael y Day One Edition.
That's That's right. We know what you wanted to see. And joining me now, Glenn Schofield, Striking Distance. Glenn, first of all, congratulations. This game looks absolutely incredible. And I got to say, the fact that you have built this team, new IP, shipping this December, all in COVID, blows me away. So congratulations.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks for having us. I really do appreciate it, Jeff. And, you know, for a second, just give me a second. You know, I want to
give me a second, please.
For all you've done for the game industry all these years, man. I think I've known you like 16, 17 years now. And you've been an ambassador. Amplified new games, new studios, and I just wanted to thank you. I really do appreciate it.
Thank you. It's not about me. It's about you guys.
Yeah, I know.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And yeah, it's so fun to do these shows and to show this game. So people saw the trailer, but what I'm so excited today is that you just brought a raw gameplay sequence. This game is in development.
Mr. Calvillo.
Be blown away.
Oedd o'n gwybod di ddeud na dweud? Mae wedi cael dress rehearsal do. Cael dress rehearsal, oedd o'n gwybod am di ddigwydd. I call bullshit. Look at Jeff Keighley. Good man. Man of the people.
Just about everything. We were showcasing a new weapon called the Grip. It's like a gravity gun, but it picks up the enemies and it shoves them into giant fans. It rips them apart. It's great. And then check out the nice ending we have.
Do you enjoy your boy yma though? Y boy yma, so ddim vibe game developer yn y gwbl.
And just for a second, I want to thank the
Just
team,
for a second, I'm walking over here.
Through everything else,
I
the
need to
dedication,
eat
the hard
my
work.
footslang.
You guys are amazing. Thank you very much.
Glenn, I got to say, again, you know, what you guys are shipping.
Oh my God,
this year,
Spasquita Culver.
like a
Spasquita Culver.
next gen game.
Sneakers, though.
It's rare that teams are bringing something out like this.
Yes,
this year,
yeah.
And let's let the footage speak for itself. Glenn Schofield, Striking Distance. Here it is.
Dwi'n gefnu gynnus y dynion sy'n
Callisto Protocol.
comfortable fo sgidia. Rwan. Just yn y graphics yn dda. Just neud yn dywyll. Mae'n y graphics yn dda. Next gen hardware. Oh, different enemy type. Ooh. Oh, jump, right? So be dwi'n methu? Collision. What protocol? Collision protocol? Collision protocol? Union fel ti dweud o. Collision. Lle dweud o? Dwi'n gwybod beth o. Cheese, the cauliflower protocol. Colliton. Oh my God, beth o. Mae di bod yn massive a sgrin gyda. Oh, that's a Dead Space gun if I ever saw one. Pobl sydd wedi gwneud Dead Space yn ei hwn de. Sy'n esbonio lot. Next hyn di bod dim man ia. So yn i Rome a mae na just zombies.
Oh my God. That just happened. All right, moving on.
That just happened.
This October.
That's just happened.
2 arrives. Infinity Ward is
Colleton
once again returning to its
Protocol.
roots for a modern-day action
Colleton
game.
Protocol.
And today we're about to show you the world premiere of its gameplay with a level playthrough. To tell us more, let's head to the port of Long Beach to check in with Johanna Ferris, the head of Call of Duty.
Hi, everyone. In 2019, Modern Warfare changed everything.
Nada.
October 28th, we usher in a new era
Nada,
of Call of Duty
nothing
with the
literally
launch
ddim.
of Modern
Nath neb
Warfare
chwarae
2.
fo.
We are back. We are bigger.
Collaboration Protocol. Na, di hwnna di o. Yeah.
Gaz,
Collaborating
Alejandro,
Protocol.
and of course, Ghost. We needed a stage big enough to debut Call of Duty in a whole new way, inspired by the world we're about to enter. Oil rigs, cargo ships, and staggering odds are just the beginning. Here is Modern Warfare 2.
Modern Warfare 2. So o'n i'n massive Modern Warfare 2 player back in the day. Uni days, and the Xbox 360. Hwn. Eisiau chwarae a lot o hwn.
Eyes in the rig.
Alright, that's our target. Shadows 1 and 2. Push to your hook points. Let's invite ourselves in.
All station ship is visual.
Copy. Press for assault. Stay on comm. We board. Clear.
Sut mae dal i fynd Call of Duty?
This could be a trap.
Eisiau chwarae Black Ops dwytha. Eisiau ddim chwarae'r un World War 2 na.
Good hook. Up and at him.
Rhai i fyny, dwi'n enjoyo fatha 4-5 mis gynta na o fatha Call of Duty newydd multiplayer lle mae pob on it to win it. Ma hwnna'n awesome de. A dyn, rôl 5-6 mis na mae pobl really da di chwarae lot mwy na pob arall a dim yn ffyn wedyn. Mae'r 4-5 mis na o game newydd Call of Duty wastad yn hwyl de. Mae Warzone di spoilio bod dim do. Dwi'n stach bach o Warzone.
Room clear. Coming out. Shadow 1 moving to the southeast stairwell.
Edrych yn eist o. O'n i'n darllen beth, mae water physics, graphics really da yn hwn. A ti'n methu troi efo off. So, fydd lot o bobl wedi chwarae fo. Mae'n nuts na enw hwn di Modern Warfare 2 ddo. Cos mae'r game allan yn berod Modern Warfare... A dyddiau reboots yn...
Roger that.
Rush out.
We need to move fast. All shadows, force out. I want eyes on that container now.
2 copies, moving.
Sa'ch chi ddim yn symud fel hyn asa. Sa'ch chi ddim yn nuts a sa'ch chi'n sy'n fflio trwy hwn sa. O. Ti'n big a Molotov in it.
Shadow 1, Ghost. Visual on flares coming from the ring. What's your status, over?
What's your status? Man down. We'll get them next time. Bravo out. Hyn yn iawn, I suppose. Oedd single player Black Ops dwytha na yn effing wang. Ooh, the City Foreigners. In 2022, we're down City Foreigners and Call of Duty. Let's go. Ooh, så vet jag stuff funny. Så pickar weapons i vänner and they're new with them.
Roger that. Confirm when the objective is neutralized.
Open.
Where are the controls?
On that damn ship. Actual, we got a problem. Missile is armed. Controls are somewhere on the ship.
På drog det. And ti'n stopio på drog cause you're answering the call of duty.
Let's go, let's move out. Go, this is Zero 1 back in the water, inbound to your position.
Solid copy, we're taking effective fire. The LZ will be hot.
Roger that. Once we're on deck, we push to the bridge. Fast.
Inte kan det.
Controls, stop this missile, yep.
Ja, till president, weird. Soldiers aren't evil, orders are. Cofiwch hynna.
Let's have ourselves a gunfight. Missile controls are on the bridge. Have to stop the launch.
Alejandro, maintain overwatch from the rig. We're forcing up. Copy that.
Reloading.
There's actually a shotgun mewn. Drugs don't keep people. Yeah, rappers do. Dyn nhw dal i rap, dyn nhw dal i neud Gwylio Cymraeg. Lla i weld nhw yn ei late 40s efo bol efo beer gut dal yn neud doing their thing. Yn Tom a Pandy neu efo.
Containers are the only cover we have.
Just don't get caught between them.
Move out! Get on the bridge, top deck now!
We have to get to that door. Check your corner.
Watch the container. X-ray down.
Horse right. Shadow 1, the missile's back to launch. How far are you from the bridge? This is 1. We're pushing towards the entry now. Copy that.
Wow, mae dda slowdown fynd a beth ti'n chwarae hwn efo'r dŵr. Oh, please. Please, Dave. Slow motion. Ie, diolch yn fawr at ti. Na, dwi'n nôl, lan. Dwi'n nôl. O'n i angen y rest o'r we in general. Ond ia. Sfedd yn ôl, man. Ond, ia, diolch cadw company. See you about. Fydd yn mwy dros the weekend.
Pre-order now and get early access to the open beta.
No. No, I will not.
That's what we're talking about. And joining us now, up from Long Beach, Johanna, great to see you. How's everything?
It's great. Thanks.
Great to have you with us. And also Jeff from Infinity Ward. So we saw the first gameplay. Thanks for that extended sequence. Looks incredible. Jeff, tell us a bit about that mission. Where is that set in the game? What are we seeing there?
Absolutely. So first of all, we're really excited to welcome back Captain John Price and Gaz Garrick. You know, they're not actually in what we just saw today, but they're returning members from 141, and then the other two characters that you may recognize from the older franchise that we're reimagining are Simon Ghost Riley and of course Soap John McTavish, and then a couple other new characters in here that we're really excited.
Multiplayer yn unig peth o bobl poen amdan Call of Duty.
First,
I'm really into the Call of Duty lore.
Mexican Special Forces Colonel Alejandro. And Alejandro, I gotta say, it's a character we're really excited about. He's a guy who's super capable and a guy who's just as important as Task Force 141. But as far as the level's concerned, I got a shout out to IW. This was a tremendous collaboration across all of the different disciplines. As you saw, everybody coming together, some really motivated devs here. And, you saw the wind and the animations and the awesome sound design. And of course, our new water tech, which is actually pushing the boat in different directions. It's creating a physically dynamic environment, allowing for the cover you were seeing. In certain cases, you could be behind cover, and then suddenly that cover would shift and leave you exposed, but it also leaves the enemy exposed, creating this emergent gameplay. Again, I'm very excited. Just can't wait I'm so excited that we get to show it off today.
And that's just a hint of where things are going to go.
Hint.
Johanna, tell us a bit about Call of Duty overall. Modern Warfare 2, obviously, we're so excited that it's back this year, but you've got lots going on across Call of Duty. What can we expect from you guys this year?
Yeah, we first of all, thanks for having
Do
us
you
here.
like
We're so
hackers?
excited for
Play
October
Warzone, and you can play with
such a big moment,
hackers.
not just for Modern Warfare 2 and everything that
Ooh,
Jeff and
look,
his team at Infinity Ward have built, but it really marks
outfit
the step
it.
change, what we're calling a transformational moment for the entire franchise. You're going to see incredible rendering, incredible graphics, all the things just within the game itself, built all on one shared engine now across Warzone and Modern Warfare 2 going forward. Of course, there's a lot of chatter and interest about the new Warzone experience. We're affectionately calling it Warzone 2.0. There will be a standalone experience of Warzone for current existing players as well. So we're going to sort of feed the entire community there. But all eyes on the 28th. And again, I think the collaboration's just been incredible. Everybody's so excited for Task Force 141. Warzone coming to mobile as well for players on the go.
Wauw!
We're on
Vi
Steam,
zien gewoon
it's just a big
koppel.
moment, and there's going to be a lot more to come in the
Warzone naar mobile.
Well, before we leave, we got to ask a little bit about Warzone 2. I know we just, we're showing gameplay here on this, but can you tell us anything? It seems like there was a little bit of a tease maybe in the trailer yesterday.
Yeah, when we're seeing that from the community, we love when the fans can pick up some things, some chatter about maybe seeing high-rise and other elements, but we will get into the details of Warzone 2.0 for sure. It will be an extension of the Modern Warfare 2 universe,
Yeah.
so all the more reason why we think this game, this moment, is such an important title for all of us looking ahead. And like we said, we're having a bold vision.
More than her
future
job's
for the
worth,
franchise,
Sunil.
so we're in position. We're really excited.
All right, well, we're looking forward to October. Thanks so much for giving us a first look at the gameplay. Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2. Thanks, Johanna and Jeff. All right, well, we've got lots more Summer Game Fest still to go, and now it's time to announce a classic PC gaming franchise is coming back with a sequel over 30 years after its first release. I loved this game when I was growing up, so I'm honored to share this very
We gaan bij de game met. World premiere. Ah, another world, yeah, another world. Oh, not another world. Flashback. Amiga Classic Flashback. Nah, dim diolch. Nah.
All right, let's turn back time. Back in 2017, we announced Witchfire at the Game Awards. Almost 5 years later, I am so excited that the team at the Astronauts in Poland has put together an in-depth look at the gameplay of this dark fantasy first-person shooter, which will enter early access soon. I am so excited to play this, and I bet you will be too after you see this.
You cover Witchfire. World premiere. Look at my gun. Dissonant. Hey, kijk zo. Looks okay. Wishlist it now.
Okay, next up comes an ambitious new game from a new independent studio in Europe starring some very familiar names. Enjoy this world premiere new game announcement.
Officer Taylor, Medlog 29. Today, I can't believe what I saw.
Fucking space! It's a...
Solis, everything okay in there?
Do you like old buildings in space?
Something's going on here. And I need to find out what it is.
Fortnite. Oh no, Fort Solis, sorry. Yeah. Just fucking... Fatha'r gêm arall am organ collaborators...
Troy and Roger
collaborate
Guys,
protocol.
this is so fun. The fact that you're working on a game together. What a cool team up. Welcome to the show.
Good to be here.
I got to ask you guys, who are your characters in this game?
Well, I get to play a character named Wyatt Taylor, who's a medical officer who's
Troy Baker,
at this base,
NFT enthusiast.
and it's the epicenter of this mystery that we'll discover.
Dwi'n meddwl ta'n gwerthu llais fath
Of
NFT.
course, my character will be at times in opposition with Roger's character.
The battle we've been waiting to see.
Every once in a yeah. Oh, man. We can't wait to show you what we've been working on. And by the way, Jeff, this looks awesome, man.
Yeah,
It's
man.
so great to be here. Thanks for having us.
It's so great that you're in another game. I mean, it's feeling like this is your first game since Red Dead 2.
One of the first major ones for a while. And I play a character by the name of Jack Leary. He's a maintenance engineer on a remote
Maintenance
production
engineer.
mining post.
Okay.
His job is to make sure that none of the equipment breaks down while it's on their graveyard shift. The graveyard shift meaning Mars and Earth are really far apart from each other and their orbits around the sun. So help is not a simple call away.
I got to ask, I think a lot of people
Wow, I
see
thought
this
it was
thing
going to
and
hell
wonder, you know, it's a new team, right? Independent studio in Europe that's making this, but with huge production values. I'm curious, like, how did you guys get attached?
How do you get the money? Saudi Arabia fund. Let's go.
The most it was the first. I mean, obviously we had this unprecedented event with the pandemic, and that forced the way that we looked at everything as a society, but also the way this industry functioned. But it was also brand new consoles. We had more tools that were being made available that were leveling the playing field between like the AAA studios and the indie studios, or the AAA studios. And so, just like everybody else, we got reached out.
Yes.
James Tinsdale.
You know,
this
the
brand new
Dim
studio said,
Sands.
we'd like for you to consider being a part of this game, and he walked me through a very brief description of what the experience was going to be like. And in the very beginning, he said, we want this to feel it's a tight thriller. We want it to feel like Dead Space meets Duncan Jones' Moon. And I was like, sign me up. I'm into that. Absolutely.
Sign me up if I get enough money, please.
Yeah.
Absolutely. New studio, brand new energy, and of course, I get to work with one of the best in the business.
And me.
I get the privilege
Who's the
of
other
getting to see this guy and watch him in action. I love to work, and I love the challenges.
I love to
all the
work.
new innovations
Put in the
that
chat
this
so the
medium provides to performers. We can't wait
Pob
to show you
reid
I think it's going to
I guess I've seen some of the behind the
Emotiwch
scenes.
in the chat os da chi licio gwaith.
5. I mean, it looks absolutely phenomenal. Can you give us a hint about the
Dwi'n love your
what are we
gwaith.
going to do in this game?
Yeah,
I thought
the
a little
verbs are always
north.
important. So we're going to let the game speak for itself. We'll be showing you more later on. But this is a game where you as the player, you're going to be exploring, you're going to be discovering. Like we said, it's a very tight thriller. So
Tight
you're moving
thriller.
very fast-paced through this world. There'll be multiple locations, multiple ways for you to traverse, which we're excited to show you about. And then the narrative is a huge element to this. They didn't waste any resources on the performance
Money.
for sure.
They waste
And
any
it's a one
money.
quick story, if I can. It was one of our favorite moments. There is a lot of action in this game, and that was at the forefront of this. And to speak to the performance capture aspect, we brought in an incredible, I got to give him a shout out to Nathaniel,
Shout
our site
out.
coordinator, who walked us through and really approached this in a completely different way than anything I've ever done before. And he says, I want to know the story of this fight. And so Roger and I sat down. We said, these are who our characters are. And he goes, give me 1 hour and I will come back to you with the story of this fight. And after an hour, he comes to us and he goes, it was like a recovery program. It was 12 steps. And he walked us through this incredible fight. And about halfway through, I started tuning him out. And I was like, hey, man, I just want to let you know I've got no ego about this, but I can do a lot of things, but I can't do this. And he grabbed me by my shoulders and he says, oh, you can. You will. And it's going to be glorious.
And we did.
And we
it's
did.
like a dance. There was a lot of trust, and it worked out.
Yeah, I mean,
We're
big,
excited
big
about it,
stunts. I mean, this is so cool to see. It's an independent studio doing this, teaming up with you guys. We can't wait to see more. Troy, Roger, thanks for joining us here.
Happy to be here.
Summer Game
Thank
Fest.
you.
All right, appreciate it very much, guys. All right, well, next up, keeping up with the space theme, it's time to world premiere a very exciting new game, which will feature a musical score by industry legend Mick Gordon. This one is going to grab you, and we are so honored to debut it.
World premiere. Oh, it's about to sucker en VHS effect. Yeah. Seriously, it's doing a fucking depressing space. It's a. We're in space, lads. Back in space. Oh, okay, robots, dim zombies, men rhywbeth. Killer crazy robots, sef fatha zombie.
Doesn't that look great? That was Routine coming to Xbox and PC. It was first announced a decade ago and is now officially back. I can't wait to see more. Now it's time to check in with a very special guest who's been in his fair share of video games, including most recently Fortnite as the Foundation. Dwayne Johnson, welcome to Summer Game Fest.
Fuck's sakes!
What's up, everybody?
How are you,
and what's up, Jeff? And what is up to the Summer Game Fest audiences live streaming right now around the world and everybody inside the epic IMAX theaters. Dwayne Johnson here, coming at you from my Iron Paradise. The very hot and
the man didn't sing game a lot.
And smelly.
A voice of a
powered by,
fucking
of course, Zoa Energy, the #1 fastest growing energy drink in the game.
Yes!
You guys know me by a lot of nicknames. The Rock, La Roca in Spanish, Uncle Handsome, sexiest man alive, big drink energy. Always room for a cheesy joke. There's always room for the extra large cheese pizza, especially when I'm delivering, and I deliver them often. You guys also know me as the greatest and most electrifying surprise in gaming that happened. You know me as the Foundation. And I gotta tell you guys, number one, thank you so much for the crazy response of me becoming the Foundation, but also, I gotta say that, you know, I've had such a pleasure
With the Foundation.
working with Epic Games and the teams over there, and we cannot wait to show you what we have in store for the future. And speaking of the future, in the future, you will also know me as Black Adam. Black Adam, as millions of you know.
Black Adam in cinemas this summer.
He is ruthless. He is unstoppable. And for those who don't, I always like to say a quick tutorial is this. Black Adam has the powers of Superman, but the only difference, well, there's a few differences, but one of the biggest differences is Superman's weakness is magic, and Black Adam's, one of his superpowers is magic. So you do the math. October 21st, I cannot wait for you guys to see Black Adam around the world in theaters only. And you guys will
Men they did the fucking gym in top place.
It has been an honor.
But the Foundation.
Black Adam, and it is a role that's in my DNA and that I was born to play. I was born to play the Man in Black, and I'm honored to show it to you guys on October 21st. So until then, stay healthy, stay safe, stay focused, keep having fun, keep kicking ass, enjoy your gaming, and I'll see you down the road.
Enjoy your gaming. But it's a gaming med hund i
Black Adam, what have your powers ever given to you? Nothing but heartache.
Yes, Brosnan though.
I was a slave until I died.
I was a slave till I died. Du ska tattoo na chest vi. Just chest there. I was a slave until I died.
Now, I kneel before no one. You can be the destroyer of this world. Or you can be its savior.
Maar welke filmen, maar gameplay filmen, awesome.
That's up to you.
Behind you! Did he just catch a rocket?
He got a rocket.
Wow, good gameplay. Je daagt bij Jeff Keighley aan een pass for. Good. Foundation. Hold the Foundation. Bit the Foundation, sorry. She I know, maar dan Cymraeg van Fortnite. Så man rock en Fortnite. Fatha Foundation. Det fatha The Rock. Och det är just rhywun en Fortnite. Så Ryu, the Spider-Man. Pam ydi The Rock ddim yn Fortnite. Pam Foundation. It's been the point of sense. Well, amlwg dim yn copyright, cos mae'n yn advertisio fo. Dim yn gweithio fo all the guys at Epic Studios. And then can of Zoe. Gaming was a mistake. Dwi'n hofio'r game na'n barod. Dwi'n gwybod be oedd Outsiders. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. WWE. Yeah, so The Rock, WWE yna fo. A John Cena. Łóżko hwnna da. Your games, your way. Doctor Strange ar Ryu. Dwi'n gorau prynu hynny teg just... Oni chwarae Fall Guys gan? Na, di ddim yn... Di Fighter Collection ddim yn cynnwys Street Fighter, Craig. Mae yna Street Fighter Collection ar gyfer Street Fighter. Fighter Collection ydi stwff fatha Red Earth, Darkstalkers, Cyber rhywbeth, dwi'n cofio. Dwi'n fod nhw'n gyd yn barod i anyway. Bob dim Capcom sy'n ddim yn Street Fighter. Which mae'n lot o rei da. Season
that
1
was so fun to see Courage and Ray in that Fall Guys piece, and you can play and
so
download
fun.
Fall Guys for free starting June 21st across all platforms, including Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PC, and PlayStation. All right, back to another new game announcement. We're going to announce a brand new game and universe from a new team of legendary developers. Check this out.
Seriously, it's on the fucking space there. It's on the space there. Get hem op een. Please put him in space. Nah.
Discovery, this is Command. Storm's in your way. Prepare for extraction.
Signal's breaking up. Command, I'll do one last scan. See you soon. Over. Okay, hurry.
Hwn oedd chi'n gem Recon. Gem oedd neb chwarae gan Xbox.
Now we're talking. Command, I may be onto something. Repeat, I have it. Mission accomplished.
Gun and shield. Name a more iconic duo. I will wait.
Hang tight, Doc. I've got this.
Hen developers Blizzard, hey. Okay. Look at him zoomed in. So dwi'n rili'n gallu gwybod beth sy'n digwydd.
Glad you could make it.
We gotta move. Now. There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming. Whoa. So I can't just stay in there. Wow, that looks like a mobile game. Ooh, play stormgate.com. Hna golygu bod stormgate.com arall.
There you have it. Tim, congratulations. Stormgate is real. We have a name and some details. So, first of all, congratulations on this announcement. We're so excited about the return of RTS, brand new franchise. What is a Stormgate, though?
All right, so Stormgates are
It's,
portals.
have you heard of about a
during
gate?
massive
Yes.
solar storm
Have you ever been in a storm?
unleash
Yes.
infernal hosts
What if you
on
use that
future
gate in a storm?
Okay.
You got Stormgate.
And we saw some hints of some. I mean, you guys coming from Blizzard and StarCraft, everyone wants to know about races. Tell us about the sides in this RTS game.
Yeah, we're unveiling our first 2 factions today, but there will be more. So the Human Resistance, and we saw an archaeologist from the Human Resistance in that intro cinematic, and then also the Infernal Hosts, who are these demon-like monsters who come from another world.
I think one thing everyone wants to know about, especially your background pedigree of the team, where do you want to push the RTS genre? It's something we've all loved for decades, but opportunity for a lot of innovation. I know you're going to show us, I think, some hints of where you're going to go image-wise with the actual gameplay made in Unreal Engine. But any sense of what you want to do for the gameplay in this game?
Spoil with the StarCraft.
But the first thing I want to say is we are very consciously trying to stay true to what players already love about RTS.
We really hope the Korean market will like this, so I can be a millionaire.
Approachability. For one thing, we're free to play, but no.
Whoa!
Just
free to play.
Lower that barrier to entry to get players in. But we're also really trying to be a lot more social. So you'll be able to play campaign cooperatively. We've got 3-player open-ended co-op, and we've even got 3 versus 3 for
battle passes. Let's go.
We've also still got
gems.
And as a little surprise, I think we've
cooldown
got
timers,
work in progress images from the game, right?
Yeah, these are still very much being worked on, but some shots of actual assets that we're building in Unreal Engine 5.
Wow, well, I love it. 2023, you said, for the beta, so people can sign up now, get ready, and I'm just so thrilled that there is a brand new RTS franchise coming from you guys and your background and what you did, at Blizzard and StarCraft. We're so excited about this team, Frost Giant. Thank you so much for giving us your announcement today on Summer Game Fest.
Thank you so much for having us here. Really grateful.
Awesome. All right, Frost Giant, Stormgate, keep an eye out for it. Now it's time for another indie game announcement that I'm excited to share with you. Highwater. Check this one out.
World premiere.
Good morning, Highwater dwellers. Highwater Pirate Radio keeping you in the know with our flow. Alphaville authorities continue to deny false rumors that Alphaville elites are planning to evacuate to Mars. True or not, the one thing we can't deny is that the world ended on a sunny day.
The world ended on a sunny day.
Okay.
Boys and girls surfing in the bay. Kids clamored in the park. No one suspected the coming dark. The wave was coming, but the sky was clear. I let it wash over me. Swept away, swept away, swept away without fear.
Liking its vibe. I am liking this vibe.
Swept away without fear. The world ended on a sunny day. Boys and girls surfing in the bay. Children clamored
Highwater.
no one suspected the coming dark,
What a breathtaking trailer.
Oh, look,
Highwater is
breathtaking.
an adventure strategy game set in a world ravaged by extreme climate change. Now, speaking of the world around us, the conflict in Ukraine is not far from anyone's mind, and it's impacted the development of games, including placed from Sad Cat Studios,
Men de,
a Belarusian studio with devs from
men de
Belarus and Ukraine. The team
Euro Truck
has long
Simulator
hoped to
2.
reveal a new
Die
trailer
cancel
here
Russian
today, but
DLC,
we're
no?
understandably unable to complete it in time.
Hadden
Guys,
wish,
I just wanna say
daar
we're
wishlist
thinking of
doen
you
door
and
af.
all the developers impacted by the conflict and hope to be able to share your work at a future show. All right, our next game is an official selection of the Tribeca Games Festival. It's American Arcadia, where you play Trevor, whose life is being televised with the viewing population constantly voting you up or down. When you become unpopular, you need to start running for your life. Check this out.
World premiere.
Picture a city where technology and science go hand in hand with fun and entertainment.
Is je gewoon Road 99?
Elijah Walton.
Maar honderd er even af.
To build
Dat
the
is wel heen.
city of tomorrow. That dream is now a reality. And that city is Arcadia. A 43-square-mile metropolis where each and every
Ooh,
citizen
and
enjoys
weirdly
a life
specific.
of luxury and comfort. Broadcast live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on every digital platform. American Arcadia. Control. Subject on the run on camera 4025. Interrupt broadcast immediately.
Listen to me. We can't allow Trevor Hills to escape under any circumstances.
Trevor. Trevor, can you hear me? Be careful and don't make a sound. Don't worry. I'm going to get you out of there.
The Truman Show. World premiere.
Apparently, we've made it to the beach. Next up is a sequel we've all been anticipating for a long time. There's Trouble in Paradise, and watch out, you don't want to get bitten. After many years of rumors, we finally get an update on this much anticipated sequel.
World premiere. Yonder. Goat Simulator 2. No, thank you. In the real Goat Simulator fans in the chat. Three? Oh, it's in two.
There you have it. That was Goat Simulator 3, and it's coming later this year to the Epic Games Store. Now, last year, Marvel and 2K announced Marvel's Midnight Suns, a tactical RPG from Firaxis Games, the studio behind XCOM and Civilization.
Wolverine,
Heroes from the
Iron
Avengers
Man,
and X-Men crossover with supernatural
Ghost
ones
Rider.
like Blade and
Yeah.
Ghost Rider for a battle
Yeah.
against Lilith, the mother
Blade.
of demons. Today,
I'm
we've
gonna
got
put
a
it
look at
on.
some new folks set to join the battle.
This world has no hope under your watch.
Dwi ddim yn boi Marvel o gwbl. Dim o gwbl. Ond o'n i wedi darllen yn ddiweddar na dim Ghost Rider di'r cymeriad mwyaf pwerus yn y Marvel Universe. O fatha, o lot. Cos mae gynno fo Hellfire. Hynna di... Ond hynna faint dwi'n gwybod amdan Marvel.
There, my sweet child. Mother won't hurt you.
Typical Parker luck.
It's Spidey! It's Spider-Man! Hulk yn ddrwg. Sbia sassis Doctor Strange efo yna.
Counting on you again, old friend. 3, 2, 1. That used to always work. Well, it did that one time.
That was Midnight Suns, and now we're moving on to the wonderful world of Cuphead, the delicious last course. And can you believe it? We're only a couple weeks away from playing the delicious last course, DLC. You see how they did that for Cuphead? Joining me now is Maya Maldenhauer from Studio MDHR. So first of all, Maya, it's
very
really
good.
Coming.
It's really coming June 30th on all major platforms. We are thrilled.
Well, I'm so thrilled, too, that I think all the fans can't believe that this is here. And I've been lucky enough to play this actually on my Steam Deck last week, and you guys gave me a copy. I can't. People are not going to be ready for how amazing this looks and the backgrounds and what you guys have done. I feel like you've amped up, obviously, the gameplay. It's difficult, as we would expect, but the visual look, you guys have taken it even to the next level, which I didn't think was possible.
Yeah, we absolutely did. I couldn't pinpoint one thing that we're proud of in this because we really honed our craft, took everything to the next level from animation, the backgrounds, the music, gameplay design, and of course our new playable character, Miss Chalice. I'm very proud of her.
Chalice is fun to play as, and even though this is a DLC, it feels like it's its own game inside of Cuphead in many ways.
It is, definitely.
Yeah, you just get on the island, and there you are off to this new new territory, which is amazing.
Yeah, it's our biggest island yet. Super-sized bosses, lots of secrets to discover. Don't let any rock go unturned.
Yes, and lots of challenge ahead. Well, I know you brought. I know you don't want people to necessarily have too much spoiled about the game, but you brought a little something for people.
A little something, yeah. It's brand new gameplay footage of one of our new bosses, Mortimer Freeze. It takes place in an icy arena.
Dwi wedi trio gorffan Cuphead lot o weithiau, just heb di wneud. Joio ddo.
Everyone enjoys it.
All right, let's check it out. Cuphead, the delicious last course. Thanks, Smile.
Edrych yn dda, yndi. Wastad di really licio look Cuphead. Bydd hwnna ar y list,
Now, if you want even more Cuphead, and who doesn't, tomorrow we will
Os
show
di
you
bob
an
dim o
exclusive
world
look
premiere ar
at
hwn,
season
pam
2
ma'n nhw'n
of the
dangos
Cuphead
world
show
premiere yna
when
fo?
I co-host Netflix's Geeked Week, which will include new show and game announcements. It streams at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern. And that's not all. There's more Summer Game Fest all weekend long. Coming up next is the Day of the Devs Indie Showcase with I Am 8-Bit and Double Fine, then Devolver's Marketing Countdown to Marketing. Tomorrow, after Geeked Week, there is the Epic Games Store Showcase at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern, with news on Rocket League, and the Tribeca Games Showcase. And Sunday, don't miss the Xbox and Bethesda Game Showcase with a look at the future of Xbox and Game Pass. Now we have some exciting news for Nintendo Switch and PC fans about Neon White, a game where you play an assassin from hell who slays demons for the chance to ascend to heaven.
Ooh.
We're called neons. Sinners plucked from hell to do God's dirty work. But I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven.
Cool.
Got 10 days here. New day, new mission from Almighty. You think you can win me over by showering me with gifts? Good thinking.
Whoa, lost in the mind though. June 16th. Is this set? Okay.
We've shown you lots of games today made by huge teams. Now it's time for a game made by a single father in Poland. Over the past year, he's brought on some help to bring his vision for a fast-paced
Så det är en single father kan det.
Flight Express to life. Let's take a look.
World premiere.
You know the saying, get knocked down, get up again, that whole spiel. Well, it's time, partner. Time to rise up. Together. It's happening. The big guy's actually going through with it. While I sat at his side, seeing lives as dollar signs, had the stink of corruption all over me. And you know who put it there? Nah, not him. Me. Well, I ain't wearing it anymore, and neither are you. Tonight, we wash this whole damn city down.
Det kan jou.
Such a cool game, and I'm happy to announce that a PC demo of this game is going live right now on Steam and will be part of the Steam Next Fest next week. I really want more playable games to get in the hands of you guys at home, and that's why
Fucking Warframe.
Right, joining me
Kom
now
op, taal
is
gewoon
Megan
Warframe
from
in
Digital
dit.
Extremes to talk all things Warframe. Megan, how you doing?
I'm so good. My fellow Canadian.
I know. We got a lot. It just happen to always have these Canadian teams on the show. I don't
We
know
have
how
a
that works
connection.
out, right?
It's okay.
We do. Well, we have a great connection. We've also done a lot with Warframe over the years, and I know
Oh,
right now,
non-Canadian streamer, maar
Twitch for more
jullie
than
had bad
30
experiences of a
shows, we get
Canadian
special Twitch
missionary
stuff, right?
streamer
That's
in
right.
ieder
I already
geval.
have seen people getting it, so
Yes.
it's very exciting. She's right there, loud and proud. Protea, 30 minutes for watching. Thank you for letting us kind of take over your special events category, but she is there and she is for you if you are properly linked up.
No, Warframe, you know, as I said, we've done a lot over the years. You guys have done incredible things with the game, and I know you have TennoCon coming up in July, which is your big kind of event of the year to reveal what's next. What can you tell us?
Well, I can't tell too much,
Okay.
but yeah, July 16th, 2022. It's a digital event again this year. Today, actually, we just launched the digital items for it, so you can get some in-game goodies, some really cool cosmetics, some merch, all that really great stuff went live today. But of course, the reason I'm here is to, you know, kind of debut. We have our Tenno Live during TennoCon, which is our big reveal of the night, and we usually do a little bit of a gameplay, a little bit of a demo, and I think a lot of people can suspect what it might be, but I'm here to kind of confirm what it is that Tenno Live is going to show.
And
Doe
what
maar
is
bij
that?
me in de
Can I
shadow.
say it?
Yes, I think you can.
Okay, you're going to get your first look at the Deviri Paradox.
Finally.
Finally, I know it's been a couple of years, but Deviri Paradox is going to be what Tenno Live is all about, and I'm so happy. The team worked really hard on the teaser you're about to see for it, and I'm just really proud and excited to show it.
Awesome.
We're gonna
Thanks so much
tease
for
the
being here on
thing I've
Game
just
Fest.
told
Let's
you
take a look
about.
at that right now.
Subliminal sense. Subliminal sense.
My child, my friend, what was done is done. New dangers, new choices await us now.
Nuts.
For now, dream
I saw
of
it.
who we were and of who we have become.
Mae'n cool. Ei, dwi'n tactical droids. Yeah, mae'n siŵr os i'n rili fewn I Warframe, oedd e'n really cool. Dwi'n climb them ymlaen.
Next, it's time for a new look at Honkai Star Rail, an upcoming open-world space RPG. Yeah, a lot of space today from Genshin.
Yay, lots of space today.
Across the global this studio continues to deliver, and this new trailer reveals
Anime though, someone else.
A new and exotic realm players will be able to explore.
We heard you like Genshin Impact. That's space.
Listen. You are in a daze right now. You don't know who you are, why you're here. None of that matters. In the near future, you will encounter many perils. You will meet companions who treat you like family and embark on unimaginable adventures.
Train, hoor. Space. Space train.
Remember what you feel in this moment. As long as you know in your heart where you're heading, you will arrive at the end of the story.
Eh?
That's the you I like.
Nah, dim Station, dio. New IP. Star Rail.
I have wine to soothe the souls of honored guests.
I have wine to soothe the souls of honored guests. Hwna bydd thing newydd yn TV.
And that's not all from Hoyoverse. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Zenless Zone Zero, their next major new IP. It's a futuristic urban action game. I have to say, I'm blown away by what I've seen so far. It was announced a couple weeks ago, and it has the detail of Genshin Impact with a fast-paced action style. Here is the world premiere of a brand new look at
loot boxes,
characters, armed enemies, and world of danger.
World premiere. Goku? Roed trio Genshin Impact cos dwi heb cael neud allan yr air. Ww, yn cool though. Ain't gonna lie, dwi'n sucker am anime. Here, huh? Don't do that. Don't do that stuff. Not my cup of tea. World premiere.
One of my favorite reveals last year was TMNT Shredder's Revenge, which reminds us all of the Turtles arcade games back in the day.
Ooh,
well,
it's working down the chat.
And the
This is
team
for you.
wanted to use SGF as a way to reveal one exciting aspect of the game they've been keeping under wraps until now.
Vi ska vara sunda. Mae retro style games di wneud yn iawn yn awesome. Mae nhw'n gorau cael wneud yn iawn ddo. 6-player mode, oh my god. Nutters. Literally an ormod. Game Boy. June 16th? Oh my god! What? Ooh, that's cut, Savannah. £10. 10 pence, I can tell you. Wat is het boring? Super people. She ddim enjoyo hwn. She drio hwn. Dwi'n massive Civilization fan. A nath hwn just ddim clicio fi. Even kind. Dwi'n gwybod pam ddo, dwi'n licio sy'n ma'n edrach. Ond dwi'n just ffordd yn chwarae. No thank you. No thank you. Not for me. But wait, there's more. Rewrite. History. On console. Let me just play this 4X game on my controller. Just chwarae Civilization 6, seriously.
Humankind allows you to shape your civilization by combining a multitude of historical civilizations from the ancient to the modern era. One Piece is celebrating its 25th anniversary this year, and Bandai Namco is bringing the mega popular franchise back to video games with One Piece Odyssey. Monkey D. Luffy and his crew of pirates are off on a
massive in Japan.
This trailer reveals the setting, huge, isn't it? A mysterious island where Luffy and his Straw Hat crew become marooned in this exciting upcoming JRPG.
Ooh, JRPG though. JRPG.
The Straw Hat Pirates journeying along the Grand Line.
見ろよ、あの島。でけえ塔がいっぱい立ってる。空に伸びてるあの光はなんだ？よし、面白そうだ。行ってみよう。
ちょっと待ってるぜ。変な形の積乱雲がすごい速度で増えてる。
So the JRPG go iawn, I'm in.
なんだありゃ。おい、落ちるぞ。任せろ。クードバースト。
Dwi'n rioed wedi trio dall One Piece. Cos mae'n massive yndi. As in, Mae'r manga'n 1,000 episodes plus.
Filled with new encounters and hidden mysteries. Unravel the adventure that awaits in an odyssey.
Oh, dwi'n sycar am stwff fel hyn.
One Piece Odyssey.
Oh, so the Dragon Quest I'm in.
ここはあなたたちの記憶をもとに作られた世界よ。
This August, Soul Hackers 2 from Atlas launches, and we've got your first listen to the English voice cast.
Oh, nah, Japanese subtitles. Soul Hackers. This is straight into the vein.
Take my hand. You get one more chance to make things right.
Look at this.
So that's our mission then. Save the world.
With so many new games featured
Yes.
across SGF events, you might be wondering how to plan for your summer gaming dreams. NerdWallet can help you find the smartest credit card to reward your gaming purchases.
Yes, NerdWallet.
The Epic Mega Sale is going on right now. Save up to 75% off top PC titles with an additional 25% off eligible products. And it wouldn't be the Mega Sale without the free games vault, featuring Maneater. Be sure to claim your copy before the sale ends on June 16th. Tune into the Epic Games Store Twitch channel for our summer showcase on June 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. We're taking a look at new announcements and updates from PC titles heading to the store this year and beyond.
You nuts?
Ah, dwi efo Samsung TV yn hen, dwi'n siŵr fod y mar hwnna'n ydy. No downloads, no storage limit, just massive amount of lag. I have heard you like big numbers. Yes, old games, stay into the veins. Oedd hanner y games yn cael ail ryddhau yn ddiweddar. Diolch. Oh, the football.
You're gonna get hit with the unexpected in Mario Strikers Battle League. In this no-holds-barred, soccer-ish sport, chaos reigns supreme. So prepare to do whatever it takes to claim victory. So much fun, it hurts. Mario Strikers Battle League, only on Nintendo Switch. Game rated everyone 10 and up.
Oh, thank you. You put a Nintendo thing.
Hi, my name is Carl and I'm a developer on Metal Hellsinger. You know how in some games where the music's really good, you feel compelled to move and shoot to the beat? But what if you had to? In Metal, the better you are at slaying to the beat, the more intense everything gets. And we have vocal performances from legendary artists like Serge Tankian from System of a Down, so while headbanging isn't mandatory, we do recommend it. Our demo is live now on Steam, Xbox and PlayStation platforms, so go check it out and slay to the beat.
Slay. Never the beast. Him is cool though. Just do him there. Dat is toch heel custom vullen? World premiere.
That one was Metal Hellsinger, coming later this year from Funcom, a rhythm shooter with metal music. And right now, as I mentioned, a demo has launched on PC, Xbox, and PlayStation for you to play for free. Next up, a new game launches tomorrow, The Quarry from Supermassive Games. This spiritual successor to Until Dawn stars David Arquette and an all-star cast.
David Arquette! Oh my god, what?
Binge-worthy entertainment experiences where your every choice shapes your story and determines who lives and who dies at a camp in upstate New York. Here's the first look at the launch trailer.
Family is the most important thing in the world. But if your whole family, you know, like every last one of them decided to jump down the bottom of a well and they're all just hanging on the end of a rope, how can one person be expected to pull them all back out? You can't. So you pull on that rope and you're just gonna fall right down to the bottom of the well with the rest of them. And what's the point of that?
What? There is a lot more to this than you realize.
Like what?
Kidnapping, murder, cover-ups. I think the whole Hackett family is in on it.
You have no idea what's going on here. Not a goddamn clue. All right, let's do this.
Who should I call?
911.
You mean 911? Who says 911?
Goodbye, cruel world.
91-1 makes sense.
I'm gonna enjoy watching you die.
This isn't a ghost story. It's a creature feature. It's really happening, and you're all in it.
This is gonna get a little messy.
Them's the rules, you noob.
You noob.
Back at the Game Awards, we were proud to reveal Nightingale, a shared world survival crafting game from Inflection Games up in Canada. Now it's time to give you a brand new look and deeper look at the game, including its innovative realm card system that lets you impact things like the weather pattern, resources, and challenges in its procedural realms. Here is your exclusive new look.
You're alone in the realms, I'm afraid. The portals are a mess. Not even sure if Nightingale made it. Given how fragile you humans are,
I'd say that staying fed, dry, and rested should be your priority. If the portal arch is inactive, you'll need to make realm cards from rare resources. Once you have realm cards, you can activate the portal. Beware though. Foul things lurk in the interrealmic void, waiting to get in. Be ready with your axe pick.
Jaunamos, I assume.
Shadows have offended. Think but this, and all is mended.
The Saints are marching in on August 23rd with the reboot of Saints Row that we revealed last year at Gamescom. And today, we're happy to announce the launch of the Boss Factory demo across PC and console, which lets you design and set up your character. And since it's Saints Row, you guys are going to have a lot of fun with this one. Check it out.
Big boobs and a dildo, basically. We haven't said it.
Guys.
You gotta do something to capture people's attention. So what do we build next?
Me.
I want all the power. Yeah, I want all the power. I want all the power. I want all the power.
We are so good
at this.
Which fool wanna challenge me? Got a pack on your back with a strap, can't relax cause you know there's no guarantee. I never get this effect, don't react to the test of the mass and the cavalry. Stay correct as your majesty.
GTA 5 online, yeah. Di Saints Row ddim byd I fili. Absolutely ddim byd.
Perfect. Dinner and a show, baby.
Three, yeah? Rwy'n mae pob yn lyfio, yeah. Just create a character there. So just create a character ydy'r demo. Okay. Just a band clone.
Next, we've got an exclusive first look at extended gameplay of Warhammer 40k Darktide, Fat Shark's follow-up to the critically acclaimed Vermintide series. Darktide promises intense 4-player co-op action and terrifying enemy hordes to team up against. And
Warhammer 40,000 ydy'r un sydd ddim yn space, yeah? 40k ydy'r space, yeah?
Manufacturer MHL 1736 is heading towards a power systems failure thanks to a bit of heretic sabotage. So you're going to restore the coolant and hopefully save the day. Get in, access the operations array, and use the cryonic rods to flush the system. Preferably before something explodes. Head on through the ventilation tunnels and look for an access point. This way! Move it!
Oedd yr un cyn hwn yn fatha fantasy old-timey oedd.
Prime the rods and send them where they're needed. That's the first part done. Get to the base of the matrix spire and put those cryonic rods to work.
Dwi'n meddwl lot o bobl sy'n licio Vermintide na.
Bloober Team is known for psychological horror games like Blair Witch and the Media.
Pam mae bob dim yn scary. Stopiwch neud stuff scary.
Unreal Engine 5 for a visceral horror experience. It's a return to the world of Layers of Fears. Get a dose of this.
Someone once said insanity runs in our family. Let it run.
Dim scary. I don't do scary.
Tale of sadness and guilt of an artist trapped in a place beyond redemption. It's a lie. This is a story of my fear, pain, and hatred, of the horror of my loneliness. And it is mine to tell.
Now I see it. All this misery, all this suffering. There was no other way.
Shouldn't have. You really shouldn't have.
Made it Unreal Engine 5. Edrych yn cool.
Bound by this body. Now I break free.
This October, Gotham Knights arrives. Batman is dead, and it's up to the Batman family, Batgirl, Nightwing, Red Hood, and Robin to protect Gotham. To give us an exclusive new look, let's head to Montreal to hear from executive producer Fleur Marty.
So it's an overrated in the Batman universe.
Welcome from
Batman.
Games Montreal. I'm Fleur Marty. I'm the executive producer on Gotham Knights. Today, we are thrilled to share more with you on one of our beloved knights, Nightwing. This showcase is the first in our character series, and we're really looking forward to share more with you as we continue working towards our launch on October 25th. So I hope you enjoy the show and stay tuned.
I had nothing, and then this city became my home.
Its people became my family. Gotham gave
So
me
bad.
everything.
Arkham Games. Swn i'n gallu chwarae Arkham Game ond.
No matter how hard we try, there's always more to do. And now, it's up to me.
Got time for a dance, Nightwing?
It's the bats! I've seen the bats! Question fi o henchman yn Arkham City. Okay.
That was Gotham Knights, and now we welcome. Oh, look who it is! Neil Druckmann from Naughty Dog, co-president of Naughty Dog. Great to have you with us, Neil. It's been a
Last of Us Part 1 remake.
Naughty Dog fans, and
I think we jinxed ourselves. We were joking about last night, like, watch the assets will leak, and lo and behold, that's what happened.
well, the good news is there's some stuff that hasn't leaked that we have lots to share with people about. All
Yeah,
things
but
Naughty
it's shared
Dog.
them
But
leaks one.
First of all, it is it's a big month actually for Last of Us fans because Last of Us 1 and 2 both launched in June, and it's nearing its 2-year anniversary for Last of Us Part 2, which is hard to believe.
Yeah, it's crazy. 9 years for Last of Us 1, 2 years for Last of Us Part 2, and we still hear from fans. They're still sending us letters and art, and these characters in this journey and this world mean so much to them. And it's just been kind of amazing. Like Last of Us Part 2 early this year passed a pretty big milestone. It sold over 10 million units. And that kind of support, that kind of success, we're so grateful to our fans. It has allowed us to grow as a studio, and now we can take on multiple projects, more than we've ever had at the same time.
Multiple projects. Okay, very interesting. So what can Last of Us fans expect in the future from you?
Thank you for asking, Jeff. Yes. So one of the things we've mentioned a while back is what started out as a multiplayer mode has evolved due to the team's ambition. They really wanted to do something beyond what we've ever done before at Naughty Dog. And we felt the way to do it justice is to make it a standalone title. And they've been working on it for the past 2 years. Ambition has grown, and we're not quite ready to fully unveil it, but we're ready to lift the curtain a little bit and just give you like an update of where we're at.
Okay, well, what can you tell us about this new standalone multiplayer game?
It exists.
Yeah, so we have a concept art that we want to show. But what I can tell you is that this game is big.
Okay.
It's as big as any of our single-player games that we've done, and in some ways bigger. It's got a story. The way we're telling that story is very unique
concept
to this
that.
game. It's got a brand new cast of characters. It takes place at another place, another part of the United States.
It's like a city might be somewhat familiar, some people.
I'm sure our fans have already figured it out. And it's really cool. And it's being headed by Vinith Agarwal, Anthony Newman, and Joe Pantnati, all veterans of Uncharted and Last of Us. And you're going to see a lot more of this game come next year.
Next year. So I wait till next year to hear more about that one. Okay, well, very exciting that this has evolved, and I mean, that concept art looks incredible. I can't wait to see Naughty Dog storytelling fused with multiplayer live game.
It's something special. We can't wait to show it either.
Okay, well, that's not all. We also have something that I've been reading about on the internet every day, it feels like. Up in Calgary, they're filming the Last of Us show for HBO, right?
Yeah, so for the past year, we've teamed up with Craig Mazin of Chernobyl fame and HBO to adapt The Last of Us into a TV show. They've been filming, and it's pretty incredible. The stuff I'm getting back, when we're looking at back at Naughty Dog, we can't help but feel emotional because
Pam di hwn ddim ar y PlayStation Showcase.
It's so authentic to what we've made in the game.
Tam Naughty Dog yn pretty big deal I
I just can't. I couldn't be proud of
He's Sony
Craig, that whole crew and everybody that's up there. And their last day of filming is tomorrow. So
the entire series, last day of filming is tomorrow.
Last day of filming is tomorrow. Craig is up there right now, kind of wrapping it all up. So it's pretty close. It's closer than you might think.
And you actually got to direct one of the episodes?
Yes, I think that really speaks to the kind of collaboration and trust that exists.
Yeah, the
between
Naughty Dog
and
and
HBO. They
Activision.
invited me to
Sony
direct
be
one of
out,
the
Naughty
episodes.
Dog.
I think we have an image from the episode I actually directed.
Ooh, okay.
Ska Naughty Dog been near Activision.
So you could see
Yeah.
this is a certain
Cash, yeah.
museum that players might
On
know from the
Sony
game.
be Naughty Dog.
And I really
One.
have to talk about Pedro Pascal and Bella Ramsey,
Yeah.
and not only directing them but seeing them do all the other episodes. They've thrown themselves at these roles for a whole year. Watching the nuance that they bring to these characters, their relationship on and off camera, I couldn't help but think about Troy Baker and Ashley Johnson. It felt so similar to the chemistry those two actors had when we made the game. And it really feels like this is going to be something special. And I will say this will be the most authentic video game
Athol
adaptation.
golli Cash
that first
da,
image that they
Cash
put out is-
Bandicoot.
I mean, it feels like a video game.
Activision
Everything
put
that
in
I've
Cash
seen, both
Bandicoot.
public and other stuff, makes
Og
it
they're all
feel sort of
attracted in
super
the
legitimate
Naughty
set,
Dog
and
and
that's
Twitch
awesome
channel.
to see Joel
Got
and
Jack
Ellie
and
from
Dax
the front
in there.
side now for the first time. So we'll see more of that next year. That's coming as well, right? Serious?
You'll hear about it very soon. That's
Okay.
all I'll say right now.
All right. Well, Last of Us HBO, very, very exciting. And I hear you actually have a couple actors from the show who are going to join us
We
here.
happen to have a couple actors here. That
Okay, come on up.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Hello.
Surprise.
Troy's back again. Hello.
Sex.
Good to see you.
Hi, good to see you.
I'm a little confused, though. I thought maybe Pedro Bella, but Troy Ashley out here from the game, right?
So when Craig and I started working on the show, almost one of our very first meetings, we said,
Pwy
"Troy
naeth
and Ashley
Cash
have to
for?
work."
Let's have a look.
And we're such fans of like the talent and the helping us create Joel and Ellie. We felt like it was so important that they become part of the show. And it has to be more than just like kind of like a wink to the camera and like a cameo.
Okay.
These are real roles that we're keeping under wraps for now. But man, I'm bummed that I couldn't be there with you guys when you filmed your stuff.
There's been so much
It's
stuff I feel like
so good
on the internet. There's so much like talk about what's being filmed, and I
Cash
think that you guys have kept a complete secret.
for-
That so you were up there and you filmed your roles by now, obviously.
Well, keeping secrets with this
Cash
franchise
for-
is kind of old hat. Like we've had
Except for today.
Toys for Bob. That's like Cash for.
It was one of the hardest things for us to do is to not let people know that because we're so proud of it and the work that we did. We worked hard. The crew.
Yeah,
I have to
no.
say,
Get
when
in,
I
you
walked out
fucker.
on
Skulle
set,
absolut som interested.
to
Cash
be met
for.
with literally every person that I met on that crew.
Crystal
is
Dynamics, I don't
such
know.
a fan of this game, and they all knew what it was that they were working on and committed to working on this project because of their fan and their love for the game was one of the greatest. It was like I was coming home to friends.
Yeah, the attention to detail, the crew was amazing. Bella and Pedro are
Proper
They're
actors.
so perfect, and we've been trying to sort of describe that feeling of sort of seeing them in person. It's like
Cash Bandicoot.
it's like the characters coming to life, but it's so much more than that. I feel like I can't fully explain it, but I am so excited to be a part of it, and just I can't wait to see it. I think it is going to be so
Just Naughty Dog new one.
I love the story. I love just being a part of
I'm
this
so
world.
excited about the series and the fact that you guys are going to be in it and
Really
undisclosed world. I'm so
excited.
fascinated how it's going to sort of
Naughty Dog that
bob
make
and weave and
two.
are these characters we know from the game that they're playing new characters?
Naughty
Can you tell
Dog
us
that's
anything?
need three. Naughty Dog that's
So
need
All right. Well, we're so excited.
Maybe it's already on Twitter by now.
Cash Team Racing.
All right. Well, let's talk about what was on Twitter earlier today. Lots of talk about
Team Luna
the
Cash Bash
idea,
Eurocom.
Really, what's happening is it looks like you guys are remaking the original game, and this is like a ground-up remake. Is that right?
That's right. We wanted to give people the definitive version of the first game that wasn't encumbered by any technology. Wanted to find a way to get even closer to our original vision. And we're able to do it on
yeah.
PS5
Ham, I only need less
and
for this
PC,
one.
and instead of talking about it, let's
Ham.
All right. Let's take a look at the Last of Us Part 1.
So why'd you leave Boston?
I've been on quite the adventure, little brother.
I reckon it's got something to do with that girl.
It's got everything to do with that little girl.
You know, I've never been this close.
It's the outside.
So is that everything you hoped for?
Can't be any worse out there. Can it?
Once upon a time, I had somebody that I cared about. And in this world, that's good for one thing. Get you killed.
I can take care of myself.
How many close calls have we had?
I get into trouble down there. You make every shot count.
I got this.
Hope you know how to use that thing.
I've had some practice.
Truly one of my favorite games of the past decade. Guys, what's your reaction to that?
Yeah, we hadn't seen that yet.
Yeah, you're watching it in real time.
Yeah.
It's because you did these. These performances you did a decade ago.
Yeah.
You didn't go back in. I mean, you used the original performances.
Yeah,
right?
actually, we came up with a process.
DMPD.
The original animation that we did for the faces and kind of like retargeted on these new rigs that have a lot more fidelity. And then the animators went back and
We're
studied.
seeing side by sides here just how much it has changed. That you went and you redid the models and rebuilt everything.
Everything was rebuilt from the ground up. Same art director, re-art directed the whole thing from the ground up. But the great thing about these faces is that they're closer to the original performance. All the animators went and studied those videos and got it closer to what you did on set.
Oh my God, I did not know that.
And
That's
just
so
one of the
cool.
things, we could talk about like this brand new AI, like all the combat is redone. Just the fidelity of everything, 60 frames per second, all the stuff you're getting on the PS5. Again, we wanted to give, knowing because of the show, because they're all new players for PS5 and PC.
Yeah.
We wanted them to have the definitive version of The Last of Us.
Amazing. Well, now you guys get to replay. I mean, when was the last time you guys played the game?
I actually played it again just to refresh my memory
For the show?
before working on the show.
I was
Never.
just a glutton for punishment, and I went straight
Never
from
played it.
playing,
Yeah,
part
never played it.
1 straight into part 2. And so the last time that I played literally would have been 2 years ago, since we're celebrating the anniversary of part 2 coming out. So I mean, it looks like I'm definitely going to be up for another
Yeah,
playthrough with this.
I can't wait to go back because it
Oh, I
was
can't wait.
you guys did such an amazing job on that original game, and
It's really when you play it, when you see it.
Do,
in motion,
nes
it's
i
really
joio fo. Dwi di chwarae fo ar y PS3 a remastered. Dwi really di joio fo. Just deud dwi di chwarae fo.
Well, it's the whole
He's a massive
all the new
liar.
animation system, the new AI system, everything we've learned on like Uncharted 4, Last of Us 2, we apply to this again to give that definitive version. Just to give a quick
Dwi'n
shout
gwybod
out,
os dwi'n chwarae
this
eto.
project is headed up by Matthew Gallant and
Ba.
Shauna Sky,
Okay.
and you'll hear a lot
Ond
more.
un
about
yn
it,
ei
see a lot more
siomedig
about
efo
it
Last
in
of
the
Us
weeks
Part
leading
2
up to
de.
the Release September 2nd on PS5.
Ia, ti di chwarae fo blaen?
Shortly thereafter.
Os ti heb di chwarae fo, ella fod y
You talked a
remake
lot
ban.
about
Ia.
games directed by other
So mae'n
people.
yn a sense no-brainer. Mae'n werth chwarae.
Still making
Mae
games.
one yn
I
awesome.
haven't given up
Two.
my day job.
Dwi dal...
It's a little early to talk about. Maybe
Dwi
if someone
dal
in PlayStation
yn,
wants to leak it,
na,
then we
no
can talk about it
spoilers.
now. Otherwise, we'll save
But
it.
you do have a new project.
Dwi dal ddim
We
yn
do have
keen
another
ar Part
project,
2 de.
but we'll save it for another Summer Game Fest.
Na, thwnna'n gweithio fi.
Okay, well, we'll see. We'll try and save it. All right. Troy, Ashley, Neil, thank you so much for dropping by Summer Game Fest, and I am so excited that The Last of Us is returning, as you said, in September. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Jeff.
Awesome.
Elements?
All right, well, that is going to do it. Thanks to
Okay.
Naughty Dog and PlayStation for that very special look at The Last of Us and the entire franchise and where things are going. Very, very excited about that. All right, Summer Game Fest continues over the next few days. Coming up right now on this very stream is Day of the Des with I Am 8-Bit and Double Fine, including an exclusive new look at the Planet Atlanta. And then the Devolver Digital Showcase. Tomorrow, we've got Netflix Geeked Week, which I'll be co-hosting, and the Tribeca Games Showcase streaming, along with the Epic Games Store Showcase. And then finally, Sunday, it's the Xbox and Bethesda Game Showcase. You can stream them all at summergamefest.com. As for me, I'll see you again in August when we are back live in Cologne, Germany for Gamescom opening night live on
Gamescom,
August 23rd.
let's
And then the Game
go.
Awards will return in December live in the Microsoft Theater in Los Angeles. And finally, I'm excited to share that Summer Game Fest will return in June 2023 as a digital and in-person event to bring the gaming community together. Thanks for being a part of Summer Game Fest, and remember, there are more events and announcements to come. We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Goodbye. Iawn, ia. Iawn, ia. Ond yn big oedd wow moments, da gwaith. Yr unig peth dwi'n methu dyddi yma, sy'n big, so gath hwnna, dwi'n siŵr sy'n Last of Us remake da mwy o wow moments heb cael ei licio. Ond, ie. Dwi'n anghofio hanner y games. Ella ddim yn gol i'n dda iawn, ond na. Ie, o'n i'n mynd i plan o streamio mor hir. Dwi'n streamio 3 awr a hanner. Ond, ie, dwi'n ôl ar Twitch. Ydy beth pwysica. A, ie, dwi'n mwyn pwy'n ei streamio eto, weekend, mae'n thebyg. Ie, dwi'n mynd i gadael chi. Diolch yn fawr iawn i pob sydd wedi gwylio. Dwi'n mwyn pwy sy'n dal yna, ond os ydych chi dal yna, gwerthfawrogi fo. A wela i chi'r tro nesa. Gwbau? Dwi'n beth yn gwybod lle i sbio. Na chi, dim hwnna dwi'n sio. Na chi. Na chi. Na chi. Hwn. Na fo.